the remote. Christy, I think you're just too fat.
Why isn't it going? Maybe I have too much weight. It's not your purse, bitch. It's you. Come on, here. Sounds like it's farting.
Really, Christy? I was going so much faster.
Okay, hold up. No, see? Oh. Dude, I'm melting.
It's hot out here. Hurry, Christy.
Fucking hot, I'm trying.
This is the longest.
Something's like clogged.
Okay, get the other one then. It smells like a fart.
Way too much.
I think so. Turn it.
Why are you aiming it towards me? Fucking bitch.
Nice.
I don't get it. What are you trying to do? I'm gonna hit you. Move out of my way. Maybe I need to be in the street.
Okay.
No, still too fast.
Okay, how come it was going really fast for me?
Maybe I weigh more than you. You look like you have chicken